All right. Haha. What's that? What's up, boy? Yesterday, unnecessarily, like unbelievably annoying, out of nowhere, out of blue, my laptop, my trade session actually, my laptop crashed, and I was about to crash the whole thing as well. So Microsoft got an update, and it corrupted my framework, and the laptop wouldn't run. It would imagine whenever I wanted to restart, it would turn off for 3 seconds, turn on again. It wouldn't do anything. It would be working with the maximum fan speed, yet it will still crash. There were lots of errors of PCI Express and I/O errors in Windows event log, event viewer, and I wouldn't even imagine that I have to deal with this craziness. And yeah, I did, and the result was that I had to spend over 14 hours wasting my time, and at the end nothing. At the end will be just waste of time and doing nothing. And now I'm just coming super slow, super sleepy, and I haven't even started. There's some stuff still missing. So I don't know, but I'm still configuring stuff, so today wouldn't be for good trading, but it is what it is. I just finished setting up my hotkeys. Okay, let me see how it works. Alright. It looks like it's okay. Okay. Alright, so I will do some screening. Yeah, so alright. So what do we have? First of all, we go to Forex Factory calendar, and we check that today. I just want filter non-US. Alright, so today William, FOMC member William at 5 a.m. will speak. No. What? What? Are you serious? Panic. Let me. I don't know what happened. Oh, I just clicked buy accidentally. I just didn't want to, but I did. Alright, so let's check what's going on here. We are checking news. Alright, so it's not 6 a.m. here. Dumb beaver. Okay, Bogota. Still not. La Paz. Good. Alright, so at 9, FOMC member wanted to talk. Probably he's still ranting. Then we have no important tomorrow at 8. Salute. Bless you. So tomorrow at 8 a.m. we will have some retail, core retail and salute. Retail sales and Fetcher Powell speaks at 2 p.m. It's gonna be a messy week tomorrow, and then there's gonna be no major news for the week. So tomorrow gonna be the news, and then that's it. But so the drop that they are getting now and market is hitting up is because that this probably this Willy boy is speaking. Did I just call FOMC chair member? Not chair member. I don't know if it's a member. Willy boy. Yes, I did. All right, forget it. All right, let's see what from our list. What do we get? First of all, we check with the SPY. Let's see if everything is all right. Yeah, put this on here. The quality is good. Let me check again. No. There you go. All right. So we have a gap down on Nvidia. All this freaking all these all the big stocks with the big beta in all of these indexes, they're gonna be affected by the move of TQQQ or SPY. So I'm not gonna majorly focus on them until they get something like this hammer getting out of here. We have SPY, a hammer. Let's see if this baby gonna give a hammer in force. We'll see what we're gonna have. We have this one at the moment, all right, and then we have this one. I'm going to shoot post about this. All right. Twitter. All right. Hold on. All right. All right. So here I'm just watching some news, some stuff as they are happening. Twitter. All right. Nvidia 6 a.m. today. Okay, let's check. All right. TQQQ. So let me see on 5 minutes. What do you have? Save. Something is wrong. I don't want to have live trades here being shown. What did I do the other day? I changed something. Oh yeah, I remember. What the hell, bro? Yeah, let's go back up. Shame. Oh yeah, we are on S3. Things get a little bit heated. Let me put this one down here. What should I do? Yeah, no, I will let it display. Oh. There you go. I'll sell everything. It's just a waste of time, honestly. Market is just about to open. and I'm 400 shares in. All right. So that's, as I say, it's a waste of time, but it's all right. So WFC, we clean the chart. We clean the chart at WFC, and honestly, it's they are stuck in a. Oh, here, I mean, it went 80 to 25, 20 cents, and 800 shares will be $400 itself, but it's alright. It's 160, sorry. But it's alright. For me, the point was not to take this trade, it was to just cover all of the losses today. So we're being executed on TR account, right? Let me make sure everything is set for TR. I know the control 5 one. Yeah, this one has it. Let me actually forget it. Let me search it. So I'm a little bit. First of all, I'm a little bit distracted. On top of everything. Second of all, I don't believe that the first day of Monday, with all of the accumulation of the news, and then having FOMC giving some speech in the morning, is the best idea to go in with the all share size. But so what? It doesn't mean that I'm not going to trade. It means I'm going to be giving market some room to wiggle around and do whatever it wants to do that market has to do. So you know. Okay. All right. 5 minutes. All right. So what are we getting at? What are you looking at? You're looking at a Nvidia which is giving the 2-2 up signal, which I don't see the 2-2 up coming. So I don't know why I got the email about this 6 in the morning. What the heck is that? Okay, Mara, Riot, they're looking at 2-2 down signal. Mara is looking at 2-2 down. I'm going to put it here. Mara. Alright? Yeah, and then Riot, Mara should pull back up, then face the view up, then we can short it. But until then, there is nothing going on interesting for me going on. It should come up. It should have come up, then drop down, but it didn't. So I don't know. CCL, travel companies to the upside, but why CCL is doing this, I don't know. And the hammer is coming in over 1430 would be a good number. Let me see what's going on here. All right, right back. So these two hammers are amazing to go long, and I'm loving the signal on. Okay, no available position. Why the heck it failed? Okay, script run fail. What? Oh god damn, it was control 1. Then we have control, then we have control Q, then we have control tab, then we have control 5. Alright, let's see if it's okay again. Yeah, there you go. Ah, come on, eh. Too late, but it's alright. I will add in if it drops lower. My average is not that good. Alright, so we have one here. Okay, Qs are struggling to come back up. No, it's not a struggle, it's just pushing to come back up. Deep down in whatever crap that this thing is. I don't know why I'm even watching this. Nvidia is pulling back, following the I'm selling my position. Yeah, Alright, so Rivian. I suffered the other day from Scythians. Alright, so Riot. Mara, actually. Mara didn't do that what it's supposed to do. We wait for something to come up and then drop from up here. All right. So what to trade? Alright, so WFC is coming back short. Please do not have more increase in volume so I can get this signal as short. It doesn't look like it's gonna. So we have Mara. We have Why this thing is not riot? We need to have something close down here, or if it breaks a lower around 82, I'll go going. Anyway, look at how it's widened the spread. This is a fight. This is a fight. We hit it short anyway. Oh yeah, short restricted. I didn't know that you're gonna do this. Alright, Mars short restricted. Yep. At 10:0. We go after back. Alright, so WFC didn't give the signal and it dropped like a rock anyway. CCL along not end up. You see, this push, this attack is not something that I want. It should be normal, right? It should be gradual and easy and not just out of nowhere, just pop up and then let's go. No, it should be gradual and step by step. All right, so let's see if we get it. This looks like the so I don't see anything. All right, this is the last chance for now. We just switch quickly to see if anything can give signal around. Okay, this one is good. If it cracks below, if it pushes above and drops, this would be the best. But I'm sitting to see that what happens here. We have a pushback to the upside. This more looks like a pull up. So it's a, I can go buy actually here, but it's a very bad area. So once that it pulls up here, then I can go long. But it will be too late. Although it's a Q's move, look at that. It's a Q's messy situation, but AMD itself being a good boy and is pushing hard. So I don't know. Let's see if we get a candle above pre-market high. If AMD breaks HOD, I will add down here. Yeah. A break as in it closes above HOD, which is apparently is failing. Yep. It should close above. It should push. Oh, 3 minutes left. Most probably it will do. Yeah, most probably it will do. This one we're gonna pull back down and then it's gonna push up. This is a typical fake HOD. Unless it cracks down and drops below, then in that case we have a different scenario. But right now it looks good. I will hit it long once it does this. So we're gonna be like 60 cents and $200 plus the 100 shares that we are already in. Water. Alright, so it failed to close higher. We'll see now if okay it's going, and I'm hitting it long. Alright, now if it pulls back red, I will get up, but I'm thinking about this gonna rip. Alright, so starting here we watch. I'm not going to let it pull back on me, and we are going to look at 60.96. Alright, so we're fine now. I could add more, but let it go. There is nothing that interests me. Voila, this Nvidia wasn't bad, but it was just falling hard. $20. Like it went to 99. I said at 96.99 and pulled back. Look at that. Oh, it's obvious. I don't want to stay in a fake out. Well, if market loses its pants here, look at that. Alright, so let's see if we get something else. Veru, look at this trash. Nuh-uh. No. Alright. MA ain't bad. MA ain't bad. We just need to get this thing back to the downside. MU looks bullish. Alright, MA is coming back down. I don't like this. Nope. And the spread on this thing, holy mother of Jesus. I'm not gonna trade with something with this spread. It's just accepted for Tesla $1 of spread, not for whatever crap that I don't know who is behind it. No. All right, so the rejection, the bounce off of VWAP got rejected ugly, and now I'm just looking that if thing closes above without breaking underneath VWAP, going under, then I will be looking into buying it to the upside. But market is tanking, so I'm not optimistic about this thing to continue. This is what happens when you don't trust the price action. Alright, WFC didn't do what I was thinking that it's gonna do. I was expecting this to close higher and then drop down, but now there's nothing that I can do about this. Everything is running and already gone. There's nothing to do about them. Nvidia, I'm looking to go long. So this gonna be the second time it's touching, and it's coming from Q's bottoming. So it could Q's, they can go long from here, and the day could go green. Alright, market's doing some shizzle. I don't know. I don't see any signals. Lee. Let's go long. All right. So market was coming down, Lee was going up, and now market is pulling back up. Lee is still up, so I'm expecting that Lee to fly probably. At HOD break, I will add to Lee, like maybe 100%. All right, so let's see. We get a rejection on Nvidia, but Nvidia has been it's a little bit iffy, but it is what it is. Lee, I'm going to add. I said I'm going to add HOD break. Let it R5 break, and then we're going to add in. I don't like this freaking Nvidia is copying, mirroring the movement of Qs. We went green on the day anyway. We are green, but it can pull back in. If it pulls back in, I'm going to close it. Lee. Forget about CCL. Lee. Okay. And if Nvidia breaks LOD, 77, I'm going to add to this thing. Also gonna watch out for the. I don't like this level. I don't like Nvidia's level. Like here, all of this S2 and this pre-market now. It should be the upside should be open, and this thing it failed to break HOD. When is 71. It may run. Nvidia might run, but and it did. It's just mirroring. Look at this. It's mirroring the movement of Q. It's not that mirroring. Actually, I'm making a mistake. AMD. Holy crap! Look at the mistake I made. I should have gone in again, but this is the second touch. I don't like it. All right, I go in again. I will add if it depends on how it closes. It totally depends how it closes. Then I'm going to add to my trade. Yep, 5, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. New candle. So look at what I did here. Look at what I did here. In here, stop was down here. This thing is pulling back. This is not what I want. Mm. I will add. I said. All right, let me ask Brian. Yeah, I closed the Nvidia trade, but Qs are pulling up, but I don't know. Like this thing is not going. Normally at HOD, this problem shouldn't happen. If something wants to break, it should just go, not to just hesitate. So I don't know. All right, WFC drop, pull back up. And what's the range of what the ATR is? Do I have ATR here? Dang. ATR is $1.59. So it didn't actually break. It's a finish. It didn't do its ATR. So once it dropped back down, I mean, this would be the first instance of touch or break, and this thing is still not going. And now Nvidia is pulling back. Look, AMD trade would have been the best. I was in with 382 shares the moment that I closed, and we are $1.10 higher. We were $350 in this trade alone, but it didn't. I mean, I was twice of the size here. Obviously I wouldn't let it happen, but with the next hammer I should have gone in again. Anyhow, I should have, could have, would have. It doesn't work. AFRM, I'm looking to go upside, drop, pull back. It never broke, came back up. This was a good buy, long. I missed it. All right, Lee's time to add. So my stop, I'm 1,000 shares in with the average of 72. A $75 profit trade went to negative now. All right, we'll see. It's so 3 more seconds left, and this is bad. This pullback is very bad. Unless this starts to go from here, which would be a, yeah, it should start to go from here as an affirmation that this is this. There is no problem. But otherwise, I'm screwed. In simple words. Because look, we have just 2 cents above pre-market. Not 2 cents, like less than 10 cents above pre-market high. 4 cents. All right, I'm closing this. Just because of this fake out. I didn't like the pullback here. These are things that I don't like. I mean, I should be comfortable with what I'm doing, right? I should be comfortable with what I'm doing. and I'm not comfortable with any of them. Hey. A 1,000 shares. And I closed it at 74 and we are at 84. Exactly 10 cents, $100 more. You wanna go? Go, baby. What else did I trade today? CCL LQs. There's nothing that I like, and hopefully, hold on. There's nothing that I like here, and it's choppy. You look at this indecision situation that's going on here. So as the Qs. Now this 3 is the break of HOD. I want to hit it. Just make some free money. I mean, this is the third time this thing is hitting. Let's go. There. What's my buying power? If I can add another, I can add all this again. It could be 80%. Like you're gonna go 500 shares, and ooh, dude, we're juicy. Okay. 253, yeah, 234, 234. We get ready. When it's about to break, I will add and then let it run. 50 cents over 500 shares wouldn't be bad. Wouldn't complain. If we close above this, if or when it closes, we start to close above. How can I make this silent? Edit buttons. Add. Done. Priority only. Done. So I do believe this is just to shake everyone out. And if I close above 70, like 77, 17, 77, 20, I will add again. If, let's see. It's collapsing. It doesn't look good. But the 3 is to go. We are not making another 3. So I don't think the market gonna come back from this. It's like, I mean, if 50 cent can do one of these legs and then rip off, but we'll see. So the thing is breaking me off. All right. Look at this. Market goes brrr. Ruin. Market's holding the pre-market high on Qs, but is about to lose its pants. I'm just looking for Qs to just lose it. I'm gonna make a quick profit on. There you go. Here it comes. So this would be actually the first signal of SPY coming in, although this was the signal, but yeah, this is the second time coming in. Goes red, I'm going to short it, and I need this thing to drop back down and close below VWAP to be a short signal to short. Anything around 80 to 90, between 80 to 90, even up to 95 is fine. There you go. All right, we'll see now. Come to 88. There you go. Here we are. All right, so I'm going to add 1,000 more. WC coming in, but my big trade is on here. I'm going to add 1,000 more once that it cracks this candle here, 72. No problem. It gives me this pre-market level that's resisting. It's gonna lose its pants. I am in with 3,000 shares in Qs. We'll see. My stop is very, very thin though. I'm walking on thin ice now. I wouldn't let this one go hugely against me. The 20 cents would be here like 600-700 for me, and that would be enough. Yeah, there you go. Here it comes. Around 60, I might close this trade. You know, it's just market is fearful, obviously. It went to 400 positive, but this is normal, so market is just I will close this thing if it goes against. $400. Anyhow, this is a apex point. Whatever happens, it happens volatile. I'm gonna close in texting. There you go. Yeah. Just waiting for the pullback again. So this is the open line. I'm 84% in my buying power. What a fight. If it drops, it's gonna go to 50 easy. There you go. Coming back in. If it doesn't take this, if it doesn't take this candle out, 72, 73, I'll get out. There you go. It's a crack. 73, 79. It took it out. There you go. It's gonna pull back a little bit. Let's go. Can I add 1,000 more? Nah. Uh, 46, 20, it's a drop. We have huge ask, but on the other hand, the bid is heavy, like heavy. There you go. 69. Yeah, I'm going out. Mm-hmm. I'm seeing 45 in front of me, but let's see. 63. God damn it. There you go. You take it out. You go to 40 easy. I will be mindful of my number of trades that I take. Otherwise, the spread is gonna eat me. The commission gonna eat me. If this thing closes green, I'll get out. The second try didn't work and it didn't go higher. We'll see this if this one cracks. We are checking the former LOD out. 66. I want 60. My entry is 64. Huge buy came in. and I'm out. Go back in again if it starts to go lower, around 65s or things like that. There you go, it's a crack. Yeah, it's a crack. I'm 30,000 in 20 cents. It's gonna be $600 of profit. Just give it a chance. They need to make a little bit of wiggly. Oh, look, what's going on with the SPY? Yeah, it's actually SPY's move. So huge long, huge order. You see, huge. Someone got out of his position. I guess what I can say. And the shorts, they just ate that order. Massive order. Here it is. Here it comes. Let's hold it to 40. Shorts, it just ate that order, and I'm looking in front of me 40 as the next price, next target. A little kiss to pre-market, pre-low, former low. I'm gonna be, after this, I'm gonna be out anyway. I just don't want to trade. Huge shorts coming in. Shorts are in power. Look at that. 60 to 40, it would be 20 cents of 700. So we'll see. Otherwise, in 69, I'm going to close it. There you go. There you go. So at 60, it's dropping. $54, $53. All right. 56. I'm going to hold it up to 40. There you go. 50. Let me set my stop. Not enough buying power. 60 to 50. We set 40. Let's go for 40. Bids are getting thin. And I will get a. Give me 11,500. No problem for me to go in again later, but Yeah, look at that. I was thinking about to go short down here, although it's getting $1 out of Nvidia is not that difficult. At the same time, market is not into that. Here I wanted to short here after this bend pull back up. He's around here is a short area, especially after this thing happened. I wouldn't be liking to short this, but now maybe. It did it again. Rivian is interesting. And it's okay. I still have room for 2,000 shares. We sit here getting ready for a crack. 72. What happened here? Oh fuck. 1,800. 600. Alright, so we wait for a crack. Already 300 in profit, going up, letting. Alright. I wouldn't tolerate any pullback. Any pullback. 40 cracks. I want 35. There you go. I want this. 30. There you go. 33. All out. All right, so it was a good trade though. How much was it? 720. Wasn't that bad? It can still go, but okay, here it have the crack that I was waiting for. Here it comes Nvidia. My short on Nvidia was right up here. I got out, but here is the result. I just didn't like how things shaping. Oh, voila, ain't bad. I tried to short 500 shares of Nvidia, but it didn't work. Okay, let's see what did we have today. Nvidia, let's see what would have worked. This was my trade when I got in, because this is supposed to be a trade. It didn't work and it failed on top. I would have, there would be no way that I could survive this environment, and this would have been a failed trade, especially that when I went in and it didn't get to 1 hour and I had to get out, you know, especially that I had to get out before it gets to 1 hour. And with consideration of this as 1 hour, yes, in reality I would have not let this thing had to go lower than this. So let's see what would have happened. We actually hit 1 hour, so that would be one and last trade on Nvidia. Lee actually, market is just not there. It did a hammer. I went in hammer. We hit 1 hour. We hit 1 hour, and this wouldn't be a loser, but definitely would get a got out because of this. So then Rivian was short bias, which means oh, look at this beauty. But the thing is, it's pulling back. All right, so this short with 3,600 shares short. Holy crap, it would have made me $2,000 right now. I made 1,100, but it would have made what, 2,000. it's still it's $3 million. There's nothing else to do. This trade was the best. I mean, the trade that I had on this trade on Rivian, and the other one, the Nvidia, what's that? The Nvidia trade was a little bit painful, so as Qs, but at the end, it's all together. What's the name? They're all together out, right? All accounts are 400 positive, but negative on 600 on Nvidia because I went in all in heavy, and then it took me out from the other account, and then this account, you can see there's two. One is 1,140 and another minus 700, so together plus 400. But anyhow, numbers are not important. And here we are, and I'm done trading for today. What I did here was the 2-2 reversal on Rivian, and I waited this thing to happen. So I needed a short signal, right? So short signal appeared here, too short below LOD, but it didn't happen because it started to go up, back up, come in, and then once it dropped, this drop was heavy. I didn't like the drop. It pulled back in. I waited until this thing breaks. This thing broke down up here, down here, and then drop. It went down here. And entonces, so voila. Entonces, Spanish. So then it was this lead trade. I went in 10 cents. What was my entry? 63.54. Yeah, I went 10 cents late. I added even later. No, I added on time, but then I got out because this thing, otherwise I wouldn't get out this here. Lee's trade, what was the situation? Lee? I think Lee, I made $100. No, $17. Crap. What was my shares was at the end? $970 shares. What was the size? Okay, my entry was here on 2280, and here I should have so 65, so I would have been made more like around $100. Then there was this trade, ugly trade on minus $100 on it was another one. Anyhow, so it didn't go the way that I wanted to go, but anyhow, Raven is coming back down again. I can go in, hit it hard. Like, let's go. Let's make some free money. Ah, bastards. Yeah, it's gonna be negative. I'm going to add another 2,000. What's the thing? 2,000. Yeah, 2,000. Okay, let's put 1,000 to be sure. 1,800. Market. Yeah, it tipped in and then it's going back up. If it goes in, see, this is what happened. 3, 5. I'm going to add again. Add. All right. So now we just give it a chance to go back in. If it goes 4, I will close it. Look at that. They took me out. 7 pre-market high, but and 3 minutes left. What's the okay? I can add actually. All right. So now I'm expecting this to go. Otherwise, I will get out at 6. Sorry, I'll get out at 7. Yeah, it's a go. It's just one big order is behind all of this. No transactions going forward. Just nothing. Small ones, nothing important. Bid got weak. Ask got weak. Bid is heavy. And then we wait for 20 more seconds to lose its pants. Although a hammer, this candle high 6, yeah, 6 out of 6 I'm out. Out of 6 I'm out. So we are under S4 and S4 is holding, but let me just set a just in case, just set. So it's coming down now. The thing is, even if I'm getting like what $1 out of WFC, which means I'm thinking about 41 around here, around S6. That would be enough. But even 70 is good. Let's say the open is at 02, so we are having the former low of the first low of the is very important, which broke pre-market, and I'm shorting under pre-market. So for me, it's all short. Qs are dropping. Look at that. Qs are dropping, and do you have buying power? No, I don't. Okay, it's dropping now. Bastard. It cost me $600 this trade. And now it's dropping. There you go. So here by 77, before LOD, I would be in $747 profit. I'm just gonna let it do its game. All right, let's pull up the thing and see where it's going. No, it's not going. I don't like it. I really don't like it. It's just I'm gonna close it anywhere we close this. It's just, it's not, it doesn't want to go on 5 minutes. It looks good. Qs are losing the tail of the day. Nvidia is also dropping, which Still, I haven't been able to catch any of it. 97, 98. Okay, man, this doesn't work. This doesn't want to go. I'll set in a break even, then I'll leave the trade station. If it drops lower, then yeah, but not now. And you get that. I'm going to close my trading today. It's enough. And yeah, wasn't a bad day. Just waiting for some good Q trades to form, either for long or short, right? We have 5 minutes to drop and 51. All right. Almost as a let's do some scalping here. What's the buying power? I can add another 1,000. All right, no, I'm getting out of this trade. Over 200, I'll be out. Or I will add 1,000 to the short. Doesn't look like it wants to go. I'm looking for a fracture move, not. So we'll see now. Let's go Qs. Anything to 69 would be interesting to just reach this high again, or any lower 43. Let's go 3,000 shares. Oh, yeah, actually I can, in positive I will add another 1,000, another 500. All right, let's go. 4,000 shares in Qs. We wait for 1 10-cent move would be nice. I'm looking for 69. I'm in at 55. This is just noise. Assholes. Want to short it from here, but look at the execution. All noise. What's going on here? Let's go NVDA. It can easily give $1 here. We have $2, even $2. I can see $2. All right, now just let's go. Let's get out of it. Forget it. Yeah, I'm done for today. It's just nothing interesting going on. Yeah, let's call it. Have a good one, and until tomorrow. Hey, I'm back again. I want to do transition.